I'm here at liquidation.com. I have another pallet that I'm picking up. It's a MSRP of $3,000. I paid roughly $475. That's after their 10% fee. So that's roughly what, 20%? About 20% of MSRP. It's kind of the high end. It's unmanifested. And while this is not really a typical unboxing because it is a pallet, we will discover together what I will have in this pallet as I unload it into my car. So without any further ado, let's go.
Look good?
Yeah, looks good. Looking at this, kind of doing a walk around. Seeing some things that I really don't know if I want to sell. Just such large items. You can see there's got a tankless water heater, a couple of them there. I have something called Mari power gas 10 liter 3.1 gallon per minute, so it looks like it's some kind of a tankless water heater. Don't know the value. Of course, these kind of items you can't test, so that's a big problem. I have some printers here. We have some printers here. They're both HPs and they look like laser printers, so depending on exactly the condition will determine how I'm going to sell these things. These water heaters, there's like 4 tankless water heaters, I believe, and I think they go for about a couple $100. So if I can get about $150 a piece if they're in good condition, maybe I'm underselling myself. I have to do the research. I always do the research, don't just guess. But because I've never sold these before, I kind of have to guess. I don't know what Gasland is. It might be the same kind of thing. This here could be the same kind of situation. It says the UPS store. I'm absolutely hoping that it's filled with small electronic items because this is an electronic pallet, but I have my doubts right now. I think it's another water heater. Here's another Runai tankless water heater, and the tankless ones are, you know, space saving, and people are more attracted to those than the standard water heaters. So I think maybe I'm just underselling myself on those, but the boxes are so large that I'm gonna have to send it like UPS ground or FedEx ground. Got a little scooter here, as you can see. That might go for about $70. Looks like another printer down here. And so the printers usually go, if you have all the accessories, you're looking at maybe $75 on average. Some lower, some more, depending. Another electric water heater. I do not know what this is. Jocelyn. Hopefully, again, that's a box of electronics, but you never know. And then you have 2 coffee pots. These are the Keurigs, and I currently have a bunch of Keurigs at home, and those things are selling like hotcakes right now. So, you know, $475 out the door. You know, I'm only 2 miles away, so I really can't calculate a lot of money for gas and stuff like that. I don't know what's this top box. I'm not even going to try to bother with it right now. Again, this is customer returns from Amazon, so people have their own packaging sometimes. So it's really going to be tough to gauge what I'm going to make here. I think it's an easy 2 to 3 times my money, if I'm being honest, with these water heaters. I just don't know how I want to move them right now. I try to buy smaller items, but because now, as you may have seen in my other video, you cannot have the smaller lots with boxes picked up anymore. You have to have them shipped. I'm only 2 miles away, and I don't want to pay the minimum shipping $40 for one box. It's ridiculous. So I'm trying to gravitate over to the pallets, but I'm going to have to change the way I do business a little bit. So I'll do a follow-up to this on this video. You'll see here in just a few minutes, and we'll see exactly what I'm dealing with when I unload these at my house. So I wanted to offer you a recap of what you saw earlier in the video. We're dealing with really a pallet that I'm not too pleased about. You know, like I mentioned before in earlier videos and in this video, we really don't like the larger items. It's just a pain, right? USPS won't handle it. I mean, an item that's like that, that's 20 plus inches in any given dimension, is something you'd send by UPS or FedEx ground. But some of the boxes weren't in that good of a condition, so really OfferUp might be my only way of dealing with the sale on this. And I have no real experience with OfferUp. But, you know, I sort of told myself after, on the way home here, just a few moments ago, that I really need to get out of my comfort zone and maybe broaden my horizons. Try OfferUp, see what happens with it. These items are selling on eBay with large shipping costs, so I really want to avoid that because, again, you get a customer who says there's a problem with it in any way, shape, or form, you're on the hook for shipping and the full refund. So just some things to consider. You know, you win some, you lose some in the liquidation game, and I definitely think I can get my money back plus maybe $400 or $500, and I'm holding on to product that I really am not interested in putting the effort in when I have all kinds of other stuff I need to be working on. Does that mean I'm going to stop buying liquidation? No, it doesn't. I still have some bids that I'm looking to buy, some smaller items that are easier for me to move, and that's the number one consideration. And I really was hoping that some of these larger boxes had smaller items inside, and it was just a bad buy, but that's what happens in this game. And it doesn't mean you're going to have to lose money on a bad buy. It's just not what you were expecting. So with that said, I'm going to sign off, but please subscribe to my channel. Give me some likes. I need some likes. You know, I'm trying to build this up, trying to provide a wide range of content for you, whether it's eBay policy, different things that I do as a seller, or just little, you want to call them unboxings. This is not really an unboxing video, but it definitely gives you an idea of some of the stuff that you can buy in a pallet form where you can go and pick up versus having it shipped to you. And I'm still not, you know, I'm 2 miles away. I'm not going to pay $40 for them to ship it to me. It just doesn't make any sense. So that means I'm stuck buying the larger palleted items, and some of these are not manifested, and you take a chance, and just the way it goes. So with that said, have a great day, and look out for some more videos from me very soon.